Okay, this next part here, I think we're gonna break into 2 segments, okay? So what I'm gonna do is, let me just show you the whole thing first. Okay, so this was in 2, 3 goes boom, ha, 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 ta, ta. Okay, the first bit I'm gonna show you is this one. Wham, wham. Okay? Now, in order to do this, it's important that you end here with most of your weight on this leg, all right? So when you do this, make sure you kind of lean back so that most of your weight is on this leg, and then you're not over here, so your weight is over here. But you want to bring it back like this, all right? Because we want to have the weight on this leg to be able to freely move this leg, okay? So from here, what you want to do is say the arms are going boom, round here, okay? So from here, prep or round here, prep, round here. All right, prep, round here. The legs, or the left leg, is just going drag, place behind. Now the right is going, you're sort of on your toes, and then you're flicking your heel inwards, okay? So from here, bam, that's basically what you're doing. Bam, that's how it's gonna look together. So just the legs, left and right, boom, okay? Boom, boom. Okay, now from here, actually, let me show you with the arms as well. Boom, ha. Try that a million times. Boom, ha. Keep practicing. Okay, from here, what you want to do is go cross out. Okay, try and practice that. Boom, ha, cross again. Boom, ha, cross. Now the next bit. Once you can do this very well, what you want to do is go behind, okay? So notice how my left is stepping out again, and my arms are going behind my head, okay? Before they were here, I'm going here, okay? If it makes it easier for you to just practice adding one move at a time, do that, okay? So what I mean is to where, practice that. Boom, where, again, boom, where. Now, from here, what you want to do, let me just do the legs here, all right? What you want to do is say jump, jump. So we want to say jump on left, jump on right, bringing your left arm, okay? Now notice how I'm sort of turning my left leg here. So I'm jumping like that, all right? Because I want to lean into it and jump back. It's what we call a rebound. Boom, boom, okay? Let me show from the side. Boom, boom, jump, jump. Let me show from a different side. Boom, boom, okay? So, boom, boom, okay? Now with the arms, it's just the arms are going out, and then this Karate Kid-ish, okay? So together it's gonna look like this. Boom, boom, 2 small jumps. Boom, boom. Keep practice that a million times. Boom, boom. Let me show from the side. Boom, boom. Okay, recap. So with the other bit as well, you want to go boom, ha, ha, behind your head, jump, jump. Now, time-wise, it goes 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, so let me show you. It goes like this. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, let's practice this part. So make sure if you get stuck somewhere, just practice up until that point a million times, and then once you get over that challenge, then you can practice more. Okay, let's try it. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8 from here, and then we're gonna start on 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Let's try that again. Maybe a bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, mini section 4. Let me show a quick preview. So we just did Karate Kid. From here, preview goes boom, boom, boom. All right, let me break that down. So from Karate Kid, what you want to do is break down your left arm and leg. Boom. Okay, the right one goes up. So from Karate Kid, let me just rewind here. Boom. Okay, notice how I'm leaning to my right because now I want to lean to my left. Okay, so from my right here, my arms are switching. Okay, from here. Let me just rewind. From Karate Kid. From here, lean, lean. Okay, from here, what you want to do, the head is going to go, let me just do the right arm here. It's going to go over here, grab your grab your head, go around here, and then out. Okay, so let me show you again. From here, grab your head, bang. Okay, now the tricky part is you want to go over here, your left comes up, go opposite, bang. All right, let me show you from the side. What I'm doing is I'm going right goes here, grab your head, boom, head. I think it's better if I show it from this side. This is my front. Okay, so I'm going, here. I'm going boom, boom. Let me show it again. From here, boom, ha. Or just forget the left hand if it's too confusing. Okay, so I'm doing boom, ha. Now, the leg here, the right leg is gonna go behind and then in the front, okay? Also a bit confusing, that's what they do. Boom, ha. Boom, bring it back out, boom, okay? With the arms, with the head and the arms, it's gonna go like this. Boom, ha. All right? Just watch, I'm doing it one more last time. More from here, boom, ha. Now, a recap from the Karate Kid. I'm going lean, lean, and ha. Let me show it from the side as well. So this is my front. I'm going from Karate Kid. Boom, 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 ha. Now, as for the count, super simple. It's just 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's practice from Karate Kid. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to start on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me try from a different angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one last time, maybe a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's recap and practice mini section 3 and 4. So from here, I'm gonna recap. It's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try and practice with me. We're gonna go slow. Start from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, moving on to mini section 5. Let me show you a quick preview. So this was on 4. 5 goes boom. A, A, A. Let me break that down. So from here, what you want to do is you want to bring your right leg out like that. Okay, on your toes. Oh, sorry, on your heel. Boom. At the same time, your arms are gonna go hi-ya. Okay, from here to here. So right is down, left is up. Okay, at the same time, it's gonna look like this. Hi-ya. Then we're gonna say small step on the spot right here. Bring my arms down. And then when I step back with my right behind my left, and then left is gonna go boom. Okay? So I went from here to here. Okay? The left, if you want to do that extra detail, is just gonna flick out to the other side. Alright, so from here, boom. At the same time, this leg is gonna go behind. Okay, so boom, boom. The arms are gonna go up. Okay, let me rewind. So this was end of in session 4. 5 goes boom, A, and then the last step is just stepping out again like this. Okay, let me recap here. So end of mini section 4 was here. We go boom, step, back again. Okay. Count wise, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty simple, right? Let's try and practice that. So I'm gonna count us in. I'm gonna say 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, mini section 6. That's the last one. So, end of 5 was here, and that's sort of the prep to spinning around, right? So you're in this ready to spin position. What you want to do is just spin on your left. Okay? Do it however you want. What you want to do when you land is say right, left, and you want to point on that last one. So let me show you from here. Boom, boom, boom. I actually do a prep on the first one and bring it up to say point. Okay? So from here, turn, prep, point. Okay? Try that a few times. You don't have to spin super much, all right? You can just do a small one, okay? Sometimes when I fake the spin and I can't turn all the way around, just start already here and then boom. Okay, so what I mean is you don't have to turn all the way here until you do the stepping. Boom, boom, boom. From here, what you want to do is go bounce, bounce, step. That's basically it, okay? Recap. From there, getting ready to spin, you say step, point, bounce, 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 step. That's it, okay? The counts are, so this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We spin on 6, 7, 8. And then we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's practice that. So I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we spin on 6. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that again. 1, 2. Actually, I think it would be easier if you move your legs closer to each other, all right? Because it's sort of hard to spin from here. We're up to you. You can test it out. We start on 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, guys, time to do the whole thing from the tip to top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. Okay, recap. We go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright guys, if there was a place in the dance where you got stuck, my tip is just to practice that bit where you get stuck, practice the transitions, the before and after where you get stuck, and also just practice from the tip to top until the point where you get stuck, right? And then you can add moves on afterwards. Okay? Let's practice. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then let's try that slightly faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright guys, I'm gonna do it one last time to the normal tempo. Feel free to practice at your own pace if you need to. Alright? It goes like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.